Cleaning your wheels is the dirtiest surface on your vehicle and easily one of the hardest parts to clean, but also has some of the most delicate surfaces that you need to be careful of. Oberk 2-in-1 Wheel Cleaner solves all of these problems with an easy pH-neutral solution that's super effective and uses our iron-removing technology to remove all the brake dust from your wheels. Simply spray Oberk Wheel Cleaner onto the faces and the barrels, one wheel at a time, and make sure that you stay out of the sunlight and that the wheel is cool to touch. The dwell time can vary depending on whether you're outside or inside, but you're going to want to let that product work for at least 30 to 60 seconds and have a brush for the insides of the barrels as well as a mitt or other brush for the outsides of the faces of the wheels. Once cleaned, you can thoroughly rinse off the wheel, and before you dry it, make sure you use some Oberk Lotus Coat to make sure those wheels are protected. Get your bottle of Oberk 2-in-1 Wheel Cleaner and find out why Oberk is removing the guesswork from your automotive detailing processes.